Nothing much. What about you? I just made this awesome shake. You want to try some?
Yeah. Oh, you call that awesome?
Yeah, it's a protein shake.
Oh, let's go do something else. Oh God, I'm going to be all healthy.
2 days later.
Shut up.
Ugh, man, are you dying or something? I feel like it. I feel good.
We'll get you some medicine.
Oh, it's Thanksgiving too, man. Oh.
How about some pasta, sauce, some tea, ranch and ketchup. Ooh, we need some cream. Now let's get some dry rub, garlic pepper, black pepper, paprika, peppercorn, and garlic pepper. And maybe some honey. Alright. Honey base. Some D for liquid. Color. Some black peppercorn. Some hot sauce. Make it spicy. Salsa. Peppercorn. Garlic pepper. Paprika. Ground red pepper. Making it spicy. Rub. Lots of rub. Oh. Some ketchup. Ranch. Ew. And top it off. Some nice whipped cream. Voila, a famous poison recipe. Hey.
Why does it look like that?
I put whipped cream in it. It tastes good. Oh, hey, Cameron. Yeah, I'm still on for the Thanksgiving dinner, but Sam is sick with a severe cold, so she won't be able to make it. Yeah, I thought I'd just let you know. The deed is done. Yeah, I'll meet you up at Schnucks. For the money. I'll be there in 5.
What'd you say?
Never mind. The deed ain't done. The deed ain't done. You better get your gun!